The Public Protector Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane says she is astonished by the High Court's ruling on her Estina Dairy Farm report.
Mkhwebane says she finds it curious that Judge Tolmay went back on her word and rushed to hand down judgment in the matter after having written to her to say she would await the outcome of the Constitutional Court on the personal cost case before delivering the ruling. Meanwhile, the SABC visited the Estina Dairy project in Vrede in the Free State. 100 black emerging farmers were promised 5 cows each as part of the empowerment scheme, but never received them.
Estina Dairy Farm, a multi-million rand project meant to empower local black farmers, but it's been mired in controversy. When the latest court ruling on Estina was being handed down, the SABC was unable to access the farm. Just 5 kilometers away, Vrede's Tembelihle township. Very little is known of the legal wrangling here. It's home for 72-year-old Aleta Mbele. The pensioner is among those who had high expectations of the farming project.
We were told that the dairy was going to benefit the community. They told us we'd get some shares, but we didn't get anything, even today.
Mbele is disappointed and feels dubbed. The mere sight of the farm adding to her misery.
Whenever I pass there, I do realize that the dairy is operational. Why did they ask for our identity documents to get our details? It means they are playing with our minds.
There is a sense of frustration on the street as well.
They promised us 51% share, if I recall well, but now we are forced to convince ourselves that the project was just imaginary. It doesn't exist.
I was so happy about the Estina project, but years later I got disappointed. I'm still hurt, like many of us here.
We were hoping that we'd support our children with it. Even for residents around Vrede to get employed, because many of them are unemployed.
For this community, it's yet another missed chance to eke out a living. SABC News, Vrede in the Free State.